In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to get approved for an auto loan with PenFed Credit Union. First, head to PenFed's auto loan approval page. On that page, open the section that explains what PenFed offers so you know the basics before you apply. PenFed lets you pre-qualify online with only a soft credit check, so you can see potential rates and terms without affecting your credit score. They finance both new and used vehicles, with used cars needing to meet mileage and age standards. You'll also see that there's no application fee and no penalty for paying the loan off early. PenFed doesn't publish exact minimum requirements for credit score, income, or debt-to-income ratio, so approvals are based on an overall review. Next, review what you'll need and what they evaluate. You must become a PenFed member, typically by opening a small deposit savings account. For credit history, while there's no firm minimum, many applicants find that scores in the 620 to 660 range and higher improve the odds. You'll need verifiable income, think recent pay stubs or W-2s, and tax returns if you're self-employed, so they can confirm ability to repay. Keeping your debt-to-income ratio lower helps. For used vehicles, expect limits such as under roughly 125,000 miles and other age or condition rules. Have your identification, your taxpayer identification number, your current address, employment details, and if you've already picked a car, the make, model, year, VIN, and mileage. Now, improve your chances before submitting a full application. Start by checking and cleaning up your credit. Pull your free credit reports, look for errors, late payments, or collections, and address what you can. Pay down revolving balances where possible to lower utilization and improve your DTI. Use PenFed's online pre-qualification tool first. It won't trigger a hard inquiry and will give you an estimated rate, term options, and a ballpark monthly payment. With that preview, prepare your documents in advance: income proofs, job information, and address history. If you already chose a vehicle, gather the VN, mileage, and condition details, and make sure the car meets PenFed's eligibility criteria. During the process, keep your finances steady. Avoid opening new credit lines, taking on large debts, or making big financial changes until you're approved. Finally, set a realistic budget. Choose a loan amount and term your income comfortably supports, and consider your down payment, any trade-in value, and the monthly payment you can manage. Follow these steps and you'll move through PenFed's auto loan process with confidence and clarity.